Hi. Okay, what we're going to try and learn to do today is how to access the VLE. So what we're going to do is we're going to open a new tab and we're going to type in VLE dot, you see it already comes up, but Glasgow Clyde.ac.uk. Return. You will see that you will get here. It's already, because I do this a lot, it's already got my name, but you put here your student number, which will begin 20, and it's got 8 digits. So 20, 24, 25, 26, 8 digits. And then here your password. So for some of you, this is Glasgow, no capitals. Some of you have made up your own one. So I'm going to do mine here. And I'm going to log in. Now, I have lots because I have lots of different classes, but your class will come up with its number. And there you are. Now you should know the VLE because we've done it a lot of times. Okay, now, this is how you get onto the VLE when you are going through Safari or Internet Explorer or Google. But you might also have the app on your phone. And if you've got the app on your phone, the app looks like this. Glasgow Clyde College. You can download it from the Google Play Store or from the iTunes Store. Okay. Once you click on your app, it will come up with little buttons like this, and you want to go into this one that says VLE. It will then click on here and it says log here to start. You click on this part of it and the same thing that will come up as you've seen before. Username, which is your student number beginning 20, and then password. If that's Glasgow, you put in Glasgow. If you've made up your own password, you put that in and then you press login. Okay, good luck with that.